Go to war till my heart stop. You niggas ain't listening. Get the thumping and the dumping at your newborn's christening. Tell your homie, tell his homies he gon' need more homies. Ain't this a bitch? I got that extended clip right on me. And my diamonds on my neck. I dare nigga to scheme on it. That Ruger on deck. It's hard to miss with the beam on it. I give your ass a permanent nap. Sing you a lullaby. I got money to run, so fuck a alibi.
Shoot your gun, I'll make you a believer. Now you better pray for something more.
Yeah, I believe you when you say you tough, nigga. All that means is you fuck, nigga. I get the drop, I'm on it. Morning, noon, and night, I spot ya, I got ya. Wake up, cuff to your bed, cops asking who shot ya. As the world turns, we learn that hunters is burning. I ain't concerned if I ain't hitting, I ain't hit. So a nigga don't really give a shit. You know who you fucking with. Come through, dump more than a clip. Niggas be on some stupid shit. Till they get hit, ain't that a bitch?
K.I. double, shotgun barrel double. My homie front a couple and I move him on a double. Racks in the duffel, Mac with the muzzle. Make me circle you in all black like a tunnel. I only know how to hustle, can't stay out of trouble. I got a big gun, motherfucker scuffle. Kid, will you ever change? Fuck no. Him's on right again, you already fucking know.
Got my guns and magazines in the red one from my beat. Nothing is quite as it seems. Fuck with me and you gon' see. Shoot your gun, I'll make you a believer. Now you better pray for something more.
Man, these niggas so fake, I call them knockoffs. Like Pringles, high pop and top off. You ain't hot dog, you the fucking Mickey Mouse song. I'm on fire like Louisiana hot sauce. Brand new J's cost $1.50, nickel. You scuff these, I score your face, $1.50, nickel. You fucking with them pigs, you a guinea, nickel. And you always begging, you a gimme, nickel. I wear my gun like it's trendy, nickel. You pussy and ain't shit, kitty little. See where all that bitchin' get you. Right in front of this pistol.
Got my guns and magazines in the red one from my beat. Nothing is quite as it seems. Fuck with me and you gon' see. Shoot your gun, I'll make you a believer. Now you better pray for something more.
They call us gorillas, we brawling, you in coffins with killers. You at the auction, I'm bossing, smoking cigars at the dealer. Nigga, I'm iller, count skrilla like casinos, only Cinos and Nova. I'm a cancer nigga, no chemo, I'm dancing with satanic people. Life is illegal, I'm heroin in the needle, my emotions are see-through. I'm evil, read your palm before dawn and spawn. Calm before the storms, Katrina, nigga, I'm drawn. Too much to handle in seconds, I manhandle the peasant. Dismantle is pleasant, turning hell to my heaven. I excel with my brethren, giving birth to nuclear weapons. I'm shooting your henchmen. Every written verse is a lesson. I'm close to perfection. With rap, nigga, I'm flawless. I'm God's light, the type to illuminate in the darkness. Hand me the trophy, the gold medals and plaques. The torch is lit. I scorch a click, nigga, I'm back.
So if I ain't on my grind, then I'm high, trying to take a check. I done hustled on the hottest block and I ain't break a sweat. AKs and texts make them vacate a set. If he ain't trying to play his debt, then we gotta spray his neck. You can lay the rest, nigga, this is Murderville. Now smell the essence of the L, nigga, this is earth for real. Fuck a bitch, I'll leave a nigga burn for real. Sign to the streets, but the judge ain't served a deal. I just turn the wheel, hit a back block and wait for a pussy to creep. Give him a best shot, now sing a lullaby. Sorry mama, I'm mangled and I'm about to catch a motherfucking homicide. This bitch named Karma got me going crazy in this fucking high. I don't wanna go away, I'm like an addict in this fucking prime lit. Trying to get it hit, hungry for this money. If it's tension in the room, then you know it's coming from me.
We pull them Glocks out, we about to make a change. One to wipe your block out, guaranteed to hit your frame. This'll hit the vein, the official pistol game. Pharaoh click a nigga sicker, quick enough to split your brain. We pull them Glocks out, we about to make a change. One to wipe your block out, guaranteed to hit your frame. This'll hit the vein, the official pistol game. Pharaoh click a nigga sicker.
people give you fucking brain cancer. Different question, cousin, same answer. Y'all motherfuckers made me scrap like I was Kane's dancer. But there's a method to my madness, unusual still. They call me Pistol Pete Maravich, moving the pill. We push a lot of everything, but it's usually krill. We use a lot of weaponry when you gruesomely killed. I thought a lot of destiny, but it's truthfully will. That could make a warrior like Zeus if he's truthfully ill. I went to hell and then I saw the abyss, where dirtbag drink from the same water he pissed. It's Armageddon when I ball up the fist. It's God consciousness that started this remarkable gift. I was a martyr, it was horror when my father was sick. I was a monster, I would stomp you in the yard with a brick. I'm a survivor, but I got the fucking charm of a pit. That just attacked you, now you got your fucking arm in his grip.
Niggas try to hate, we don't hear the side talk. Them loud mouths, gotta hit them with the wide hawk. Barack wants help, all my bodies by him chalk. My niggas upstate, square with the fried shark. This for y'all, wild out. When your cells crack, you know your time short. When they tryna send your mail back. We catch bodies for the love of the block. I collect shit, I got a hammer and a glove of a cop. So while you hugging model Jones, I was hugging the block. 1 for the money, 2 for the pop, 3 for a rock, yeah. Sam Sedin when I'm pulling the scam quick. Or Reservoir Dogs, lay your grill on the canvas. The flow's diesel, but the game is sour. And you's a pussy, where I'm from, that's the name of a coward. So when you get your weight up, I'm already in power. Who wants war? My niggas fly planes in the towers. Pharaoh.
AOTP.
We putting blocks out, we about to make a change. One to wipe your block out, guaranteed to hit your frame. This'll hit the vein, the official pistol game. Pharaoh click a nigga sicker, quick enough to split your brain. We put them blocks out, we about to make a change. One to wipe your block